Hi friends, let me show you these nursery bookshelves that I received for reviewing purposes. They are all white. They are called nursery bookshelves, but you can basically use them whenever you need them. These are going to be nice shelves, two of them. Let's put them together. Here you have three floating regular shelves and one with these accessories to hang your purse, your dog leashes, or whatever bag or thing that you want to hang. Okay, so let's try them in the wall. As you can see, you can organize your shelves wherever you want, like this bathroom, and have some stuff on it like flowers, soaps, towels, hanging your rug, whatever you need. These floating shelves will give any room a really nice touch, a nice finish, even if it's your nursery, your bathroom, your office. Any room will benefit from this kind of decoration.